In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Ghibli style images with ChatGPT 4o. By the end, you'll know how to pick the right model, upload a photo, craft a clear prompt for that dreamy, hand painted 1990s anime look, refine the result, and download your finished image. First, make sure you're using the ChatGPT 4o model and that you're logged in. Open ChatGPT, look at the model selector at the top of your chat, and switch to 4o if it's not already active. Being signed in ensures your uploads and outputs save correctly and that you have access to image features. Next, upload a clear photo using the plus button or the camera icon. You can choose a landscape, a portrait, or even a pet photo. For the best results, start with a well-lit, high-resolution image with a simple background. Sharp focus and good contrast help the model pick up important details. If needed, crop out distractions before you upload. Now use a specific prompt. The more you describe the aesthetic, the better the transformation. Mention the subject, mood, lighting, color palette, and era. For example, you could say, transform this picture into a whimsical, hand-painted 1990s Japanese animation scene with soft, diffused lighting, gentle line work, pastel colors, and a warm, nostalgic atmosphere. Feel free to include environmental cues like misty hills, drifting clouds, or glowing evening light to guide the background. It's a good idea to avoid naming specific living artists or studios. Instead, describe the qualities you want, things like watercolor textures, subtle film grain, or cel-shaded shading. If the first output isn't quite right, refine it. Ask for adjustments such as softer edges, warmer tones, richer shadows, or more painterly textures. You can request changes to composition like pulling the camera back slightly, adding depth of field, or simplifying the background. If skin tones, fur, or foliage look off, ask to correct colors and balance contrast. You can also request multiple variations. Try one with cooler twilight hues and another with sunlit golds, so you can compare and pick your favorite. Once you're satisfied, download the image directly from the chat. On desktop, open the image to full size and save it. On mobile, tap and hold to save. For maximum quality, choose PNG. If you prefer a smaller file for sharing, JPG works well. Keep your original photo and your prompt handy so you can iterate later. With a clear image, a descriptive prompt, and a couple of small tweaks, you'll consistently get that charming animated look you're aiming for.